Hi students, very good morning to all of you. Now today we are going to discuss next topic of chapter materials, metals and non-metals. As you know that in previous class we had already discussed the properties of metals and non-metals and difference between metals and non-metals, properties of metals and non-metals. Clear? So today we are going to discuss the chemical properties of metals first. Okay. Now let's see here chemical properties of metal. But before discussing this topic, we are also discussing some questions which are given on the page number 66. Okay. First question is that give two example of metals which are malleable as well as ductile. Give two metals. Uh, Give two example of metals which are malleable as well as ductile. So you take it. Malleable means iron or copper. We can also say that copper is malleable as well as ductile. Answer first. Okay. And two examples are seen. So you can also take aluminum. Aluminium. Clear? Two examples. Now answer two. What is answer two? Name a name a non-metal which is a good conductor of heat and electricity. That is what? As you know that the non-metal is what? Graphite. Graphite is your answer. Answer three. Why are cooking utensils made up of copper or aluminum? Because it is good conductor of heat. Because it is good conductor of heat. Okay. Now your answer three. Answer four. Which property of metals makes from them suitable for making jewelry? Shining property. Shining. Shining or lustrous property. Lustrous property. Clear? Now answer 5 is what? Which metal is largely used in construction of buildings, bridges, railway lines? You know that is very common metal is iron. Okay? These are the answers of the questions that are given on the page number 66. That is the right question. You have to write the answer of this question in your book only. Okay? With the help of pencil. Okay? Do it. Okay? Clear? Now we will discuss next topic. Okay? Okay? Next is chemical properties of metals. Okay, chemical properties of metals. In this, we are discussing chemical properties of metals. First, as you know that all metals are similar chemical reactions. However, reactivity of metal depends upon its nature reaction conditions. Some typical reactions of the metals are described below. First, you know that Reaction with oxygen means when reaction with oxygen means when metals react with oxygen, and what happened? All metals combine solution to form metal oxide. Different metals react with oxygen under different conditions. Okay, means when metals react with oxygen, it form metal oxide. When metal react with oxygen, it form metal oxides. Metal oxides. Metal oxides. Clear? Means if I take examples, they are in your book. There are so many examples are given. Sodium, magnesium, zinc, iron, copper. Okay, but we will discuss here only one of the examples. Suppose sodium reacts with oxygen. Sodium. The symbol of sodium is Na. When Na react with oxygen means O2, then it form Na2O. Okay, this is known as sodium oxide. This is known as sodium oxide under room temperature. This reaction goes on under room temperature. Clear? Okay. Now after that, there is so magnesium also. Magnesium react with oxygen. Mg plus O2. It's apply on this reaction. We apply heat and burns with dazzling with white flame. This burns with oxygen. This magnesium burn with white dazzling flame. Okay, and form magnesium oxide MgO. Okay, yeah, MgO. Clear? Now there are also many examples. Zinc, when zinc Zn react with oxygen, then it react on strong heating. When you strong heat this zinc, okay, then it starts burning with blue flame. With blue flame. ये ब्लू फ्लेम से जलेगा, जब जलेगा तो ब्लू फ्लेम निकलेगा, और जब ये जलेगा मैग्नीशियम रिबन, देन इट प्रोड्यूसेस व्हाइट डेजलिंग फ्लेम. क्लियर? एंड फॉर्म ZnO. Okay, clear? This is ZnO. Okay, and this is 2 ZnO. Clear? And this is the so many examples are given in your book. After this iron, copper, you have to do yourself. Okay. This is the chemical properties of metals. When metals react with oxygen, it form metal oxides. Clear? Okay. Okay, class. Now we'll rub this. Okay, after that, second, from this, there is some differences here, okay, in which we can say that sodium, magnesium, zinc, iron, copper, the most reactive metal is sodium. The most reactive metal is sodium. Means sodium is most reactive metal than magnesium, and magnesium is most reactive metal zinc. Okay, and जिंक से भी जिंक जो है वो किससे ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है, आयरन. ओके, एंड आयरन किससे ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है, कॉपर. क्लियर. ओके, मतलब जिंक सोडियम बहुत आसानी से रिएक्शन करेगा, मैग्नीशियम में थोड़ा हीटिंग करनी पड़ेगी, जिंक में थोड़ा ज्यादा हीटिंग करनी पड़ेगी, आयरन में और थोड़ा ज्यादा हीटिंग करनी पड़ेगी, और कॉपर में और. क्लियर. मींस सबसे इजीली रिएक्ट करता है दैट इज सोडियम, एंड दैट्स व्हाई द रिएक्टिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द सोडियम इज हाई देन मैग्नीशियम, जिंक, आयरन, कॉपर. एंड मैग्नीशियम का जो रिएक्टिविटी है वो हाई है जिंक, आयरन, कॉपर से. क्लियर. इस तरीके से एक सीक्वेंस है. क्लियर. सबसे ज्यादा हाई रिएक्टिव सोडियम, उसके बाद मैग्नीशियम, फिर जिंक, आयरन, कॉपर. क्लियर. नाउ आफ्टर दैट सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी दैट इज reaction with water. Okay, reaction with water means different metals react with water under different condition. Reaction of some metals with water are given below. Okay, when metals react with water, then it form metal hydroxide. It form metal hydroxide. Hydroxide. Clear? Suppose if I take example of sodium, means sodium, the symbol of sodium is Na. When Na react with water, means so formula of water is, you know that, H2O. Then form what? Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Okay, and it produces hydrogen gas. Okay, it produces hydrogen gas. This is sodium hydroxide. Okay, when with react with cold water, with cold water. Second example, magnesium. When magnesium react with water, H2O, then it form magnesium hydroxide, MgOH whole twice plus H2 gas release. आप देख रहे हैं सब में H2 गैस रिलीज हो रहा है, मीन्स हाइड्रोजन गैस. दिस H2 gas is hydrogen gas. Now iron, Fe, symbol of iron is Fe plus T. This Fe, 3Fe, okay, 2H2O, and here 2Na, 2H2O, 2NaOH. Clear? This 3Fe means red hot, means को काफी गर्म किया गया है. इस आयरन को गर्म करके किससे रिएक्शन कराया गया, विद स्टीम. जैसे ध्यान दीजिएगा, स्टीम से जब रिएक्शन हो रहा है, स्टीम मींस H2O, ये भी क्या है, H2O का फॉर्म है. स्टीम से रिएक्शन हो रहा है, 4H2O, तो बनेगा Fe3O4 प्लस हाइड्रोजन H2 gas and 4. This Fe3 is ferrosulfuric acid. The name of this is ferrosulfuric acid. Ferric oxide, sorry. Ferric oxide. Clear? This is known as ferrosulfuric oxide. Clear? Now after that, this copper react with water H2O, it form no reaction, it form no reaction, मतलब कॉपर ऑक्सीजन से कोई रिएक्शन नहीं देता है। क्लियर? एट हाई टेम्परेचर, आप टेम्परेचर बढ़ा देंगे तो भी कोई रिएक्शन नहीं होगा। क्लियर? तो आपको यहाँ से क्या क्लियर हुआ? सोडियम को आसानी से रिएक्शन किया, मैग्नीशियम बहुत आसानी से, फिर उसके बाद आयरन, फिर कॉपर, यानी सबसे ज्यादा रिएक्टिव किसका है? सोडियम, फिर उसके बाद मैग्नीशियम, फिर आयरन, फिर कॉपर। क्लियर? ये हो गई रिएक्टिव रिएक्शन कंडीशन। रिएक्टिव रिएक्शन देखा जा रहा है किसका सबसे ज्यादा हाई है। सोडियम बहुत आसानी से इजीली रिएक्ट कर रहा है, सोडियम का रिएक्शन रिएक्टिवनेस बहुत ज्यादा है एज कंपेयर टू मैग्नीशियम। क्लियर? ओके, नोटेड। Okay, not of this. Now next is property is reaction with acid. Reaction with acid. Okay. When metal react with acid, it forms salt and hydrogen gas. Okay. When metal react with react with acid, it form metallic salts and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. Clear? Means, well, suppose we have taken example sodium again. The symbol of sodium, as you know, that Na plus HCl. Na plus HCl means hydrofluoric acid. It form what? NaCl. It form NaCl and produces hydrogen gas. Okay. This reaction vigorously occurs. बहुत तेजी से रिएक्शन होगा. Okay. Clear? Now second example is magnesium. When magnesium react with HCl, then it form magnesium chloride MgCl2. Okay, and produces H2 hydrogen gas. You see that here, this MgCl2, NaCl, these are the salts, metallic salts. This means metals के salts हैं. Clear? Now after that, there is zinc form ZnCl2, okay, ZnCl2, okay, and produce hydrogen. These are the examples. Okay. Now next, Reaction with bases. Fourth, reaction with bases or alkalis. बेसिस और एल्कलीज सेम है, जो बेसिस वाटर में डिसॉल्व जाते हैं दैट इज नोन एज एल्कलीज. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट बेसिस और एल्कलीज. ओके, नाउ इन दिस, when certain metals like zinc, aluminum react with strong bases on heating to form a soluble solid hydrogen. कुछ ही metals हैं जो bases से react करते हैं. Suppose that is what zinc, aluminium. Okay, these are the metals or bases of this, these are the metals which are react with bases, but this react with strong bases. Okay, on strong heating. Clear? So taking the example, zinc Zn plus sodium hydroxide means NaOH. Okay, that is a base. ये base है, sodium hydroxide. This is base. Clear? And this heating on, okay, base, and for produces sodium Na2ZnO2, okay, plus hydrogen gas, H2 gas, Na2ZnO2. Clear? That is sodium zincate solution. This is known as sodium zincate solution. क्लियर? इस तरह के सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं और रिएक्शंस होंगे. क्लियर? नाउ आफ्टर दैट देयर इज अ नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल with reaction with aluminium. Aluminium react with sodium hydroxide. On heating, it produces sodium aluminate. Sodium aluminate, NaAlO2, and produces hydrogen gas. Clear? This is the reaction which are given in your book, so you have to see that in the book. Okay. Now after that, we will discuss metal displacement reaction. Okay, class. Metal displacement reaction we will discuss in next class. Okay, so all of you revise or see it. Okay, clear? Okay, thank you to everyone.